Most people don't know how to use tea tree oil for hair correctly. Tea tree oil is an essential oil extracted from the leaves of a native Australian tree and has been used as a resource for thousands of years. It's an effective home remedy due to its proven antimicrobial and antiseptic properties. Here are just a few of the many tea tree oil benefits for hair. 1. Cleansing of your scalp and hair. 2. Improves healthy and quality hair growth. 3. Improves the health of your scalp. 4. Helps battle against dandruff. 5. Fights off head lice. Tea tree oil is beneficial for your skin as well as your hair. You can fight hair fall, dry scalp, dandruff, and other hair problems with the help of tea tree oil. But many people don't know how to use it correctly. Here are some right ways to use it. 1. To treat dry scalp and dandruff. Add tea tree oil to your shampoo. Add around 8 to 10 drops for every 250 milliliters of shampoo. Massage the shampoo oil mixture into your scalp and let it sit for 3 to 5 minutes before rinsing off thoroughly. For an itchy scalp, mix 8 to 10 drops of tea tree oil with 1 to 2 tablespoons of unrefined coconut oil. Apply onto the scalp and massage well. Leave on for 30 to 60 minutes or overnight and shampoo as normal. 2. To prevent hair loss and boost hair growth. Mix a few drops of pure tea tree oil into a carrier oil like jojoba oil, olive oil, or coconut oil. Massage into your scalp several times a week to promote a healthy scalp. 3. To treat lice. Mix about 8 to 10 drops of tea tree oil and 3 to 4 tablespoons of vegetable oil or olive oil. Apply the mixture all over your scalp and massage it in thoroughly. Comb hair using a fine-tooth comb or knit comb. Cover head with a shower cap and let it sit for about 2 hours. Comb hair again using the knit comb and rinse. If you find this video useful, give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Consider to subscribe and please turn the bell icon on so you will be notified when we put out the new video. Thanks for watching.